Hi guys, today I will show you how to make a coaster using a corn husk. This is the corn husk I colored in my last video, link will be in the description. With that you will need a thread, closer to the color of husk the better, and a bigger size of needle. To start I took this long thread. Now let's untie it and separate husk into 3 equal sections like so. It's better if you can chop the head, the harder part of the husk. It will be easier for you to make. Then take the end of your thread and tightly tie the husk. You can take 6 pieces and make double on each side or single, it depends on you. This way you can make the braids easily. So the technique here is making braid, which means you have to either start with right or left. If you're taking right, then cross the right section over the middle section. After that, cross the left section over the middle section turn-wise turn. And your pattern should look like this. Thread can make a little mess, but you can manage, right? Now continue this process until you reach almost the end. Here comes the tricky part. When you come to an end, you have to add more husk and slowly continue the same process. Don't worry if you're struggling to adjust the head of the husk, you can cut it out later. Now you can repeat the same process. You might get bored, but you are almost there to customize your own coaster. How cool is that, right? So yeah, if I can do it, you can do it. Now you have to roll the head of the husk tightly like so. Then start sewing the husk from one side, that way the layers are gonna stick together. One thing you want to make sure that you sew only from one side of the husk, so that it will be considered that as the back side of your coaster and your thread work gonna hide. And your thread can make a mess, so be careful with that. Also, no worries if it breaks in the middle, you can always add thread and continue your work. And that's how the back side of your coaster will look, and this will be the front side. I hope you like this video. If you guys tried this, do let me know by tagging on my Instagram. I would love to see your work, and yeah, stay safe.